we are reviewing the Eureka Airspeed, which surprised us with its suction power and ease of use in our testing, all within your budget. In this review, we will cover all important factors, like suction power, cleaning efficiency on different surfaces, and attachments so that you can get the best value for your money. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. So, first up, suction power. For its price, Eureka Airspeed offers great suction power with an airspeed of 36 meters per second. It can clean carpets pretty well and generally picks up debris in one sweep. In my testing, I used different sizes of debris, and it picked them all up in just 2 to 3 sweeps. Regarding the cleaning efficiency on different floors, the vacuum performs well on most surfaces. It was able to clean carpets pretty well, whether it was small-sized debris or pet hair. The issue is with cleaning hard surfaces where it scatters lightweight debris like dust. So, if you are just cleaning food droppings or pet hair, you should not have any problems on hard floors. However, as for dust cleaning, it pulls up a lot of it but scatters it too. Not to mention that at this price you get a standard filter, so some dust escapes the bin. So, if you have allergies, try to get a HEPA filter vacuum, which is generally priced higher. Moving on to the ease of use, the Eureka Airspeed is moderately convenient. You can store the attachments on the vacuum itself. Plus, the vacuum is lightweight, about 7 pounds, so it's easy to carry around the house. But the attachments take a bit of effort to attach and remove. The wheels on the vacuum are also not the best out there. The quality and smoothness could be better. The dust cup is bagless and has a large capacity of 27 liters, though you should empty it before it reaches its max fill. It can also be emptied in a single click. The vacuum does not swivel, which can be annoying. The hose is also a bit short. There are also no headlights on it, so cleaning dark-colored floors and corners can be bothersome. As for the maintenance, cleaning the filter is easy. You can wash it every few days. The brush roll is also easy to clean and gets very few tangles, but removing the roller is a bit of a challenge. You need not spend much time on vacuum maintenance. About half an hour per week will do. This may be obvious, but the vacuum is built of all plastic, as cost-cutting has to be done. The vacuum does not have suction or cleaning modes. It is just a normal turn-on and off vacuum cleaner. The Airspeed comes with a 1-year limited warranty. There are some customer complaints which you should keep in mind. Before giving the final takeaway on Eureka Airspeed, let us go over the cons of the vacuum once. It has an all-plastic build, though it justifies the price. The wheels are also of average quality and could have been smoother. The filter is standard, which is not good if you have allergies. It does not swivel and has a short hose. Our final takeaway will be: the Eureka Airspeed is a great upright vacuum. Considering its affordability, we can certainly see how it is a good buy for its target audience. It covers the basics of the requirements, which are good suction and usability. However, don't buy it if you have allergies. Also, if you have a big house, you should look for another vacuum. Else, it is good for anyone on a tight budget who can make do with basic features. Please like and share if you find this video helpful. Happy cleaning!